things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles.
If you can see a red subscribe button down here, that means you haven't subscribed to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I'm going to review this beautiful braided wig from Neatandsleek. I'll put all the details for this wig in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. And also, if you learned something from this video, or if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I first of all started by dipping this wig in hot water just to make it look better and straight, and then I left it to dry overnight before I installed it.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles.
I accidentally deleted the intro part of this wig where I was unboxing the hair and trimming the baby hair and cutting the lace. So here is the wig. I've already cut the lace and trimmed the baby hair, and it's a full lace wig, as you can see. And then the lace is already bleached for you. So it has two combs on the sides, one in the middle and one at the back. Also, it has this adjustable elastic band, but I felt like it was too big for me. So what I did at the back, I used these two hooks. This is what I did. Instead of like hooking them in the middle, I crisscrossed them like this just to make it fit this to this other side, like that, and this other one just to make it fit, you know, even without like using glue, as you can see, like that. And by the way guys, the baby hair is just from here to here. It's not like from temple to temple. It's just from here to here to make it look more natural. So I already inserted the combs in my hair, like on the sides and at the back, just to make it more secure. And on the sides, I'm going to glue it down because, as you can see, it's lifted. So guys, like this, I love this hair because it looks so natural. As you can see, it blends so well with my complexion. And then the baby hair was already pre-plucked and the knots are already bleached for you. And also the fact that it's a full lace wig, it looks so natural. Like, who would want to sit in a salon for hours just to do this style? I really love this style, guys, because it looks so natural. So I'm going to glue it down and style it, and just comment down below if you love it. And also, in case you're interested in this wig, I'll put all the details in the description box down below.
They said, don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. They say, be meek, look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine, you'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began, just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn had enough of every melody. They all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh.
Don't fall, don't forget all the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it, getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began, just start again. Oh, you won't see the light.
So that was it for today, guys. If you love this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And also I'll put the details for this wig in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye.